Hello everybody, Mike from Joel's All-White Tractor. So here I got done doing a 2510 diesel cute little tractor, which is highly sought after. It's a lower production tractor. This one here came in with axles that were cut off with a torch, so we put different axles in, and while we did that right away, we put new brakes in it. The seat suspension was worn out like they usually are. The fenders were rusted through like usual. We put all new lights on. Brand new wire harness. She's got new batteries, new battery cables. Starter and generator or alternator was all gone through. This one here, the radiator core was leaking pretty bad, so we had to put a new radiator core in. The hood was beat up in front like they usually always are. That's a common thing. All new American-made gauges, American-made seat. We always put American-made parts on much as possible. She got all new rubber all the way around it. New grill screens and obviously new emblems and new caps and stuff and that. All in all, she turned out pretty awesome. There's another one I hate to see leave. She runs really good, so we didn't have to do any mechanical on the motor at all. Other than that, we took the tank out and flushed it all out and stuff, and we put new tire rod boots and all that stuff that show nice detail again. Other than that, she turned out pretty awesome. She should be going home in the next day or two, so if you've got any restoration needs, give us a call at 920-894-2134. You can check out our website at joelsalbitetractor.com. Our Facebook page is also Joel's All-White Tractor, and you can check out our YouTube channel with some other videos of cars that we restored over the years. Thanks for watching.